Cloud computing deployment models. There are three types of deployment models. Public cloud. It is cloud computing that's delivered via the internet and shared across organizations. Private cloud. It is cloud computing that is dedicated solely to your organization. Hybrid cloud. It is any environment that uses both public and private cloud. Advantages of public cloud are there is no capital expenditure. It has high scalability, affordability, and flexibility. The disadvantages are the total cost of ownership can rise exponentially for large scale usage. Low visibility into the infrastructure may not meet your compliance needs. The examples of public cloud are Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute, Amazon EC2, which we will see in the later sections, and Google App Engine. Advantages of private cloud are they are dedicated and secure environments that cannot be accessed by other organizations. Compliance, scalability are met. Efficient performance and flexibility is there in private cloud. The disadvantages of private cloud are the private cloud is an expensive solution. The infrastructure may not offer high scalability to meet unpredictable demands if the cloud data center is limited to on premise computing resources. Examples of private cloud are HP data centers, Microsoft, and Ubuntu. Advantages of hybrid cloud are they are flexible policy driven deployment to distribute workloads across public and private infrastructure environments. Scaling with security is present in hybrid cloud. They are very reliable. The disadvantages of hybrid cloud are they are expensive, difficult to manage, and very complex because of additional infrastructure. Examples of hybrid cloud are Amazon, Azure, etc. All these are hybrid cloud providers. They are not exactly the example of hybrid cloud, but they do provide the option of hybrid cloud.